So we just did a deep dive on why tongue scraping is absolutely crucial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to tongue scrape. You don't want to do it with too much force. All you're going to do is stick out your tongue and just gently scrape it a few times, maybe like 5 to 10 times, depending on how severe the coating is in your mouth. I don't want to touch my tongue with this one just because this is my demo one, but all you're going to do is stick out your tongue like this and scrape it just like that, getting all the way to the back of the tongue, because if you saw the last video, that's where the important bacteria that produce nitric oxide sit. So just a few scrapes twice a day is a game changer. Now, as to when you should do it into your routine, just do it last. So here's what I do. In the morning, I wake up, I oil pull, I brush, and then I tongue scrape. And then at night, I use a mouthwash. I brush, I use my water flosser, floss my teeth, and then I use a tongue scraper last. So that's what I would just recommend. Use it the last thing that you do as part of your oral care routine.